everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad you're here today. I'm going to show you how to make an edge-to-edge shaker card. Okay, so let's get started. First off, you need a piece of transparency film or transparency paper. Get this from an office supply store. And I've got some of the die cuts from infullbloom and a piece of paper from infullbloom and some glacier cardstock. Okay, so let's cut down our cardstock. This will be my base, so it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I'm going to cut the pattern paper at 5 1/4 by 4. So I'll have that border of glacier. And then I'm going to cut the transparency paper down to 6 1/4 by 5. Okay. And then I'm going to bring in my scoreboard and my scoring tools and my bone folder. Okay, so I'm going to score at 1/2 inch, and then the next mark is at 4 1/2 inches. So I'm giving myself 1/2 inch on either side, and then I'll turn my transparency and score again at 1/2 inch and 5 3/4. So I have that border of 1/2 inch around each edge. Okay, and I started folding, but then I realized that I need to miter my corners. Okay, so you just cut at a diagonal at each of those corners. So then you don't have that excess to have to fold in. Okay, so now I'm taking my infullbloom and I'm facing it down because that's going to be the front of the card. And then I'm folding each edge in and then burnishing it with my bone folder to get a nice crisp edge. And it's a little fussy, but be the boss, make it work. Just press hard and you'll get your fold there. Okay, so now I'm going to use some Scor-tape. You need a really strong double-sided tape. So you could use the red line tape from the Close to My Heart catalog, or you can use Scor-tape like I'm doing here. So I'm placing that down. This will be the back. And then sometimes you have to burnish it a little bit with your fingernail to get the adhesive backing to pull off. I'm taking off 3 sides. Okay, so I'm leaving the top of the card open, and then I'll just fold that transparency film down into the adhesive. Okay, so it's kind of a little pocket there. All right, so now we can fill our shaker with some shaker bits. Make sure that you use flat shaker bits. So I'm going to use the iridescent flowers and the stars, the gold stars. You need something flat so that you don't have a lot of dimension underneath that transparency film. So don't use any of the cupped sequins or anything like that. Try to find something flat. Okay, so I'm just going to put a few pinches of each in my pocket there, and then I'm going to pull off that last piece of Scor-tape and close my little pocket. So now you have a shaker. Okay, so now let's make a card. Got a card base here. It's an A2 card base, and I'm going to put my glacier cardstock down with Tombow tape runner, and then I'm going to adhere my shaker with more Scor-tape. Okay, so we'll skip ahead in a second. Just get a good amount on the back there, and then you can adhere it to your card front. And then you have your edge-to-edge shaker. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate the front. I have these die cuts from infullbloom. And I thought I'd be using some of the foliage, but then I realized I'd be covering up a lot of my shaker window there, so I'm just going to go with the butterfly. Okay, so now I have the light side of Glacier and some intense black ink, and I'm using a sentiment from For All Occasions. This is found in the core catalog, and it says, "Wishing you well." And I'm just going to create a little banner. So I'm stamping that down in black ink, and then I'm just trimming around the sentiment. It's roughly 3/4 of an inch tall. And I'm leaving a little extra on the right side so that I can cut my banner. So I'm just going to hand trim this, just snip in the center, and then take each corner to meet that snip, and you have your little banner. Okay, so still trying to work some of that foliage in. Nope, just going with the butterfly. So I'm going to attach it to my card front with some Tombow, and then I'll attach the butterfly with some glue dots. Quick and simple. So all these supplies are currently available in my online store, and I will make a list with links in the description below. There's my finished card. All those shiny, iridescent shaker bits look awesome. I hope you give this a try. So everything's available except, of course, the transparency film. You can find that in an office supply store. And I'll make a list with links in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And then you'll be able to find all of my videos. And thanks for watching.